Good morning, parents. I am one of the AIG teachers here at Green Hope Elementary, and this resource is for you to look at how third grade AIG identification is going to work this year. Ms. Goodman is also one of the AIG teachers that is working with third graders this year at Green Hope. We're going to go through these slides. This slide is all about Explorers. And Explorers is worked into our special schedule here at Green Hope. Your child will either have Ms. Goodman or myself 30 minutes per week. What we have done in Explorers is the first thing that we did was some COGAT prep. We always do higher level thinking skills, and we will always work on, or we will try to work on, math and reading higher level thinking skills. As the year progresses, we will move from whole group instruction and lessons to more small group instruction as our schedule allows for that. Who is screened? In the absence of testing, normally we have COGAT and Iowa scores that we can use to screen students. Due to COVID-19, we don't have that this year, but that's okay. We're not giving up, we're still going forward. All third grade students are being screened using the processes highlighted in the next slide. Students can be nominated for referral by parents or teachers. Here is the screening process, parents. Number one, all students are being screened through Explorers. Number two, teachers and AIG teachers are collecting data from several different places. And here's where we're going to get our data. Report cards, grade level assessments, work that Ms. Goodman and myself are designing to give students a level 4 opportunity. We're also collecting some assessment data that we have available to us. Assessments such as iStation, NC check-ins, and other historical data that we can look at. So how does this AIG process identification look like, and how is it done? The first one is to nominate. The second is to receive a referral. In order to receive a referral, students have to meet certain Wake County benchmarks. Once they do meet those benchmarks, then we say that that student has been referred. And then those students that are referred go through the COVID portfolio identification process. And it's like a matrix. So you get points for certain scores. The most points you can get is 3, 2, 1, or 0. Students can qualify in either math or reading AIG services. And in order to qualify, they need at least 15 points on the portfolio. Identified students will start AIG in 4th quarter. Remember, students can qualify in reading, math, or in both. Once students are identified, they will meet with Ms. Goodman or Mrs. Casa 45 minutes per week per subject area. AIG teachers coordinate with classroom teachers to plan units that align with what is going on in the regular classroom. So AIG is an extension of what is going on in the classroom. Sometimes parents get SSA and AIG confused. And AIG is an extension, and it goes along with what is going on in the 3rd grade classroom, where SSA is an acceleration. It's a skipping of content. and students have to test into SSA and AIG. So what is AIG anyway? AIG is a small group instruction tailored for students who are working above grade level. What we do in AIG is always aligned to state standards. It is project-based. It teaches students to think and work independently. It helps students learn to self-evaluate and think logically and use evidence to back up ideas. It also gives students an opportunity to work with other students who think, act, and even sometimes look like them. It's rigorous. It involves collaboration, critical thinking, communication, and creativity. It is Mrs. Goodman's and my hope that this short presentation will help parents receive more clarity on what is going on with the identification process this year. If you have further questions, please feel free to reach out to myself, Mrs. Casa, or Ms. Goodman. You can also ask your classroom teacher, your child's classroom teacher as well, because they know what's going on too. I hope that you have a lovely rest of your day, and I hope that this was helpful to you.